This video, I'm going to show you how you can change your WhatsApp number. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so if you want to change the account or the number you used to create your current WhatsApp without losing your account, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and just change your WhatsApp number. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so let's get into it. Now, to get started, go to your WhatsApp and then go to this ellipsis here or this more options here and click on settings. Now, under settings, head over to account. You can see it is the first option. Now, under account, go ahead and click on change number. So if you click on change number, you're told changing your phone number will migrate your account information, group, and settings. Before you proceed, please confirm that you are able to receive SMS or calls at your new number. And you are also told that if you have both a new phone and a new number, first change your number on your old phone. So make sure you follow those instructions and then go ahead and tap on next. Then here you'll have to enter your old number with the country code and then enter your new number with your country code. So when you tap next, you'll receive a confirmation code before you are able to finalize and migrate your account to the new number. Alternatively, you can also just come to delete account here, and under it you can see instead of deleting account, they give you an option also to change number. So if you click on this, it will also take you through the same process. So that's how you can change your WhatsApp account to a new phone number. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.